pictures are not fooling you. Yep. I'm at it again. I know you all are probably like, Felicia, you got some commitment issues, girl. Listen, if you're new to my channel, I just want to welcome you to the madness, and to all my subscribers and those tuning back in. Thank you for being here. I just want to show you guys what I have done with my hair since my last video. I made some changes since taking out my small traditional locks. I was liking them, but I was dealing with some spacing and some size issues that I wanted to correct so that I am completely satisfied with my new journey. And here I'm just showing you some tweaking that I had to do after my last install. And it really was about just the spacing. There were some areas that I just needed to fine tune. So I did not take all my hair down. I'm just showing you here how I lined up my parting, because I added a few additional rows just for more fullness in the top. And as you'll see later in the video, there were some areas through the middle and in the back that I needed to realign. So really, these are just adjustments that I'm making to perfect the outcome of this new journey, y'all. I just appreciate you guys for rocking with me. I have been counterproductive with this process, but I wanted to get it right. And I know a lot of you can understand that. And it's on my time and my dime. I enjoyed trying to learn a little bit more about my parting, the density of my hair, what was going to work for my hair, and then resulting to make the changes that I wanted my first lock journey. And yes, this was me determined to get it done and to get it right. So here I'm just showing you kind of the changes that I made up and through the top. I kind of got away from the squares a little bit at the front of my hair. And then you're going to see here too, the middle part of my head. There was some spacing there. So I just corrected the parting there. And also some pictures I was taking, I was just seeing gaps that I was not happy with. So here there's a fuller appearance, and they're closer in spacing with smaller gaps. Overall, I'm very pleased with the changes that I've made. I fine-tuned it to the best of my ability and to my liking. Here I'm just showing you guys some of the smaller locks around the parameters of my hair. So I'm sure, as you'll see here later in the video, I've washed my hair for the first time. There is going to be a little bit of slippage, which I expected, but I'm just going to be monitoring those areas there so that I can have a great outcome. Here I'm just showing you that I didn't do anything to the back. I kept those locks the same. I didn't want to over manipulate the nape of my neck. And I just wanted to show you too, like the difference between where my locks were in comparison to my new adjustments. And you can see it's definitely fuller. There isn't too much spacing or gapping. And at this point, I've hit my month's mark. So I did wash my hair. I did not braid and band. I made an executive decision that I was going to do what I wanted to do this time around. I did rub some conditioner in, which I showed you, but I'll be rinsing that out. And as you can see here, there is slippage on those edges that grew out my last journey, but I'm just going to retwist those and retie them. But yeah, y'all, overall, no other issues, no unraveling. I'm pretty pleased with this first wash day. And the front of my hair has a looser curl pattern, so as time goes on, I'll just be monitoring for bunching and any other issues. Here is my first retie. Y'all, I wanted to definitely be sure that I commit. This is a comparison from my first lock journey to this journey. And yes, although they're very similar, those changes that needed to be made for the solid foundation is definitely there. So I just appreciate you guys and thank you for tuning in. I look forward to catching y'all on the next video. Peace, y'all.